More and more accounting firms are using tools like AI to maximize their tax business in 2025. I don't want you to get left behind. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you is tips and tactics to use and leverage AI in order to maximize efficiencies in your business so you don't get left behind, okay? So let's jump right in. Hey, my name is David A. Bettis. I am a tax business owner, probably just like you, who's been in the industry for 17 years. Over the last 17 years, we've prepared over 50,000 tax returns. In the first 12 years, that's all I did, taxes. In 2020, I realized there was this whole new world out there called tax advisory, and I decided to jump right in. And tax advisory is about helping people save on their taxes, not just file their taxes, and I fell in love with this. Not only because I liked helping people, but mostly because I was trying to help myself. And in that process, I learned a lot of advanced tax strategies, and over the last 4 years, we built a multi-7-figure tax advisory practice from scratch. In fact, I sold my tax practice just to do this 100% of the time. Now, I sold my tax prep business, not my advisory practice. And today, what I do is I operate a tax advisory business called Tax Plan Experts. And I have a tax software called Tax Maverick to help people just like you offer high-level strategies. If you've been in the industry for some time, you've probably seen AI get integrated in almost every single tax preparation software. Before, it used to just be known as machine learning. Now it is AI, where they'll ask you questions about expenses. It'll automatically categorize and ask for your approval. These are products that are being offered every single day to accountants, and we've got to leverage them. I know how hard it can be for you and I to just trust them blindly, but at the same token, these things are learning as we are. And in fact, most AI technologies today are just leveraging what we've taught it. And I use AI every single day in everything I do because I believe artificial intelligence can help me move faster. And those accountants who are seeing that are really taking advantage of it. Now, there's so many tools out there to really reference today, but I'll reference a few of them that I use that hopefully you can use as well. So first and foremost, I use ChatGPT. And if you go under the GPTs tab on the top left corner of ChatGPT, there's actually a tax and legal bot that you can ask tax questions to. It's a good reference point if you're just starting out or you have a simple tax question. Now, second tool that we use all the freaking time is Gemini. Now, Gemini, it may not sound like it's a tool for accountants, but it's inside of our email. It's a Google product, and Gemini has really helped me by gathering information. Now, the notebook feature inside of Google is a really cool feature. What it allows me to do is to take a client's profile. So what I do is I take maybe a client's data intake forms, maybe their tax returns, maybe it's a summary of meetings that we've used in the past. And then Gemini can actually have conversations with the data. So if I can say something like, hey, Gemini, I want to know about client so-and-so. And then it'll go to the notebook that I have all that information, and it'll only research in the notebook. There's so many research tools out there today. I have no affiliations with any of them, but I would say that you could find so much. What I would just encourage you to do is look for the ones that can enhance customer experience, because those are the ones that get you the biggest return on investment. Now, I'm going to mention one last tool, and I would be, I would be wrong if I didn't. You got to use something to help you build advisories type work for your clients. And the best one out in the market is called Tax Maverick. Now, it's not just a plug for me. I actually have used all of the tax advisory softwares in the marketplace, and ours has the most advanced AI technology built in. Not only can it look and research on things for you and your clients, but it also can give you summary reports of your client's situation and identify tax saving strategies and provide recommendations for those strategies unlike any other model or any other program or software out there. There are always going to be AI models that they'll say they can solve your problems, but the real truth is which ones make you the most money. As a tax professional and a business owner, you have to think about two things. I need a tool and I need it to make me money. Find ways to make your firm more valuable. And this is one of the best ways right now, especially with all the firms being bought. They're all looking for AI. So if this was helpful and you got a lot out of this, comment below, tell me what you thought, and hit that subscribe button so you can get notified about upcoming videos just like this one, because I want to help you grow your firm. I want to help you grow your business. And more importantly, I want to help you win. So I'll see you on the next one.